It's a good view for there.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, for the fans, Mexican fans.
Mexican fans, right?
Maybe you find the love in Mexico.
Sandra!
Yeah, Sandra. Ah.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, it's amazing there.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, the rock. It's a secret.
Yeah.
Come play at water park. Oh, it's a water park or what?
Yeah, water park. So people go there in the summer, and there's like slides.
Yeah.
It goes into the river.
Oh.
And, like they kayak, canoe, and
No swim.
yeah, and they swim.
Okay,
Yeah,
there,
over
okay,
yeah.
okay,
Swim
okay.
there, here.
No, yeah, it's dangerous.
Yeah.
Adivinen dónde estoy.